Here is something you might not realize. You've been using metadata every single day without even knowing it. Have you ever tried finding a photo on your phone and suddenly remember the date or location? That is metadata at work, helping you navigate through all your data. Understanding the difference between data and metadata can completely change how you interact with information. And in this video, I'll break down the difference between data and metadata, why it matters, and how you can create and use metadata in your daily life, business, or studies. Hi, I'm Lekon, and welcome to another episode of Citizen Analyst Thursdays, where we simplify data and analytics to help you thrive in your personal and professional life. Whether you're just curious about data or you want to use it more effectively in your everyday decision, you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into what data and metadata actually are, real-life example to make this super relatable, why metadata matters, and how it makes your life easier. So grab a notebook or just sit back. This is going to be practical, relatable, and fun. Let's get started. So let's start with data. Data is raw information. It's the facts, figures, or details we collect from the world around us. It's the foundation of everything we analyze and use to make decisions. On its own, data can be overwhelming or feel meaningless. That's where metadata comes in. Metadata is often called data about data. It's descriptive information that helps you organize, search, and make sense of raw data. In simple terms, metadata gives data context. It transforms a random pile of information into something useful and relatable. For example, in your photo gallery, the pictures themselves are data. The metadata, like location, date, and tags, is what helps you find that one picture from your trip to Dubai in 2021. Without metadata, finding and using data would be absolute chaos. Now here is why you should care. It saves time. Instead of scrolling endlessly, metadata helps you quickly find what you're looking for, whether it's a photo, a document, or a playlist. Secondly, it enhances decisions. In the workplace, metadata helps you understand large datasets faster. Thirdly, it powers your daily tools. From your search engine to Spotify playlist, metadata ensures you get personalized and efficient experience. Now that we know what metadata is, let's talk about how you can create it. The good news is you don't need to be a tech wizard. It's simpler than you think. Now here are 3 ways you can create metadata based on different use cases. For personal use, such as organizing photos or files, let's say you want to organize your holiday photos. Use tools like Google Photo or Apple Photo to tag pictures with location, date, and even custom labels like family trip or beach day. This makes finding photos a breeze. For business use, such as managing data for work, suppose you're managing an Excel file with customer data. Add a comment column to explain what each row represents. It's also good practice to add tags when you're saving documents. For academic use, research a project. If you're working on a project, create a metadata table to keep track of your sources. For example, label articles with the author, publication year, and key topics. Reference management tools like Zotero or EndNote are perfect for this. So here is the bottom line. Data is the what. Metadata is the who, when, where, and why. Data is the content. Metadata is the context. Understanding metadata means you're not just managing data, you're managing it smarter. Whether you're organizing your photo gallery, building a dashboard at work, or even finding the right product online, metadata is the hidden superpower, making it all seamless. What's one way metadata has helped you recently? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next week for another Citizen Analyst Thursdays episode. Cheers.